How to clear Twitter cache storage on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. From here, you need to scroll down a little bit and then tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage. It might take some time to load, and after it is loaded, you want to scroll down and tap on X or Twitter account. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to tap on Offload and Offload app again. When you do that, the cache of that account will be deleted, but the important information and data will remain saved. Now tap on Reinstall app, or what you can do is you want to tap on Delete app. And then after that, you want to reinstall Twitter or X account from App Store. As you do that, all the unnecessary data on Twitter will be deleted. And that is how to clear Twitter cache storage on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.